Your face is still red. You might want to hit it again with your hammer.
Oh, that's not blunt force trauma, ma'am. That's just the honey glow in my cheeks.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just gotta tell you, you are one dynamite gal.
Wow. You are one dynamite gal. One dynamite gal. Dynamite gal. Dynamite gal. Dynamite.
Get out!
All I said is you're a dynamite gal.
I said get out!
Oh, Jiminy.
Yes?
Oh. I'm Fix It Felix Jr., sir, from the game Fix It Felix Jr. Have you seen my friend Ralph?
Wreck-It Ralph?
Yes, that's him.
Should've locked him up when we had the chance.
Locked him up?
Not making the same mistake with you.